Hi students, welcome to Nilagiri YouTube channel. Last class discussion totally our syllabus BSc second year third semester third paper botany. Totally 4 units are divided. Now today we are going to discuss one of the unit. The title name is the plant embryology. So last class was some introduction of embryology. Today continuation the branches of botany. One of the name is the embryology. First of all, what is the embryology? So last class already told you. So the study of structure and development of embryo is called embryology. Simplify the study of structure and development of embryo. In this topic another topics also discussion in this embryology. For example, microsporogenesis, megasporogenesis, and endosperm and embryo development and other total seed formation totally are prescribed in this branch of botany, embryology. The structure and development of embryo is called embryology. So today unit third, so first lesson the introduction. Introduction of so embryology and some historical history of embryology and importance. So importance embryology. These are topics are discussion. So first of all, historical some famous scientists are listed present now. So one of the famous scientists MSc and Sladen and another scientist Hofmeister and Hornstein and Strasburger and S.G. Navashin. So these scientists very development of embryology of plant. So first of all, one scientist, famous scientist, these are first and second and third, 1, 2, 3. These are 3 scientists very development of plant embryology. So some importance involvement of MSc scientist. So invention of plant, first of all pollen tube. So the pollen tube, so formation of in angiospermic plant body, the plant name is the Portulaca. The important plant body. Portulaca plant. If Portulaca plant body, the pollen grain germination. That is the word name is the pollen grain germination and formation of pollen tube. This is the pollen tube. So first observation of scientist MSc in Portulaca plant body. And another important MSc invention, so the pollen tube enter into the ovule. The pollen tube enter into the ovule. So these are famous invention of in plant body. One is the the pollen grain, germination, formation of pollen tube. And second one, the germination of pollen tube. So how enter into the pollen tube? So the stages and methods totally. So invention of pollen tube enter into the ovule. These are totally described MSc scientist. These MSc scientists experimental, totally approved or proposed scientist, Sleeden scientist. And Hofmeister discoveries in plant embryology. One of the discovery of so the plant so egg cell and formation of embryo. The egg cell, how it is development stages of plant egg cell and formation of embryo. The development stages totally described. The scientist name is the Hofmeister scientist. And also the ovules. The ovules, how it is the formation of in seeds. The development stages totally described Hofmeister scientist. One is the egg cell, formation of embryo, the stages described formation by the Hofmeister, and also the ovules development, formation of seeds. The described scientist name is the Hofmeister. These are totally, so credits goes to Hofmeister. And another main so described Hofmeister, the pollen tetrads. The pollen tetrads formation. How it is the pollen tetrads formation in angiospermic plant body? Totally this method described by the scientist of Hofmeister. So Hofmeister discoveries are other described name is the one is the egg cell, formation of embryos, and second one is ovules, formation of seeds, and pollen tetrads formation. These are totally described by the scientist of Hofmeister. And another famous scientist, Hornstein. The Hornstein scientist major discovery or described name is the one of the development process. The development process is the embryo. The embryo development. The embryo development in angiospermic plant body totally described by the scientist of Hornstein. The very important in embryo development both dicot plant and monocot plant body embryo development. Simply the embryo development stages. In this embryo development stage, the embryo so many cell divisions. The process of cell divisions very important to. So the process of cell divisions in the embryo and formation. How it is the development of so the embryo. So mainly the zygote free nuclear divisions, formation of embryo. What type of cell divisions? Totally described scientist Hornstein, very important. And another famous scientist embryology, Strasburger. Strasburger, so many descriptions or discoveries of embryology is one of the Strasburger so discoveries are described one of the female gametophyte development. So 80% of angiospermic plant body, the development of female gametophyte, female gametophyte. So in Polygonum divaricatum plant body, so first discovered by the scientist of Strasburger. Polygonum divaricatum, the plant body, the development of female gametophyte. So monosporic development of female gametophyte. This is the major discovery of Strasburger. And another discoveries of Strasburger, Singami. Second one, Singami. So during fertilization, one male gamete, and another egg cell, one egg cell fuse with contact, formation of zygote is called syngamy. So the syngamy first discovery scientist Strasburger, and another scientist S.G. Navashin. S.G. Navashin discovery mainly double fertilization. Double fertilization is the one fertilization. The double fertilization, very important characterization only angiospermic angiosperms plants. The very important character, this character double fertilization. Double, that's mean 2 times fertilization in plant body. So the double fertilization of first discovery of scientist H.G. Navashin. So from introduction of embryology, so very important scientist of embryologists. And another historical some famous books written by the different authors, some important books of embryology. So one of the book name is the Morphology of Angiosperm. Morphology of Angiosperm, the book written by the Coulter and Chamberlain. So morphology of angiosperm. And second one, so plant embryology. Another book. First one is Morphology of Angiosperm, written by the Coulter and Chamberlain. And another book, Plant Embryology. The plant embryology written by the Johansen. And another one book is an introduction to embryology of angiosperm. An introduction to embryology of angiosperm, written by the P. Maheshwari. Panchanan Maheshwari. So one of the famous Indian embryologist, Panchanan Maheshwari, father of embryology, very important, father of embryology. Who is the father of embryology? Panchanan Maheshwari. One more important invention, Panchanan Maheshwari. First of all, the test tube fertilization is the very important major discovery in embryology. Test tube fertilization, invention by the Panchanan Maheshwari. So considered of father of embryology. So Panchanan Maheshwari. Another books written also are present. So recent advanced of embryology of angiosperms, another book is also written. And another book is the embryology of angiosperm. The embryology of angiosperm, written by the Bhojwani and Bhatnagar. Some important books of embryology, some important embryologists in plant body. Okay, plant embryology. These are totally historical background of embryology. And another one in this introduction topic, importance. What is the importance of embryology? So recent observation and experimentally embryology in vitro method introducing of embryology, some important varieties of plants are creation. The plants name is the hybrid plants. Some important characterization other than wild plants. For example, more disease resistance and more high yield productions and short time crop yielding. These are more advantage of hybridization plant. These are totally development of in vitro method. The in vitro method, some important cultures like ovule culture, ovule and anther, these and embryo. So these are totally cultures, these sexual organ cultures. So vegetative plant cultures also present in, and also sexual reproduction organ cultures also present, ovule, anther, embryo. These are cultures, new variety of plant creation. The plants very resistance of water and low temperature, high temperature and drought areas and other environment factors, also resistance of these culture production plants, and also short time crop yielding of plants, and another pest resistance also are present of this importance of embryology. Another important embryology, the taxonomy, the classification of plants, useful of embryology, like stamen number, what type of ovary, what type of pollination and fruit. So many advantage are using of nowadays taxonomy usages. So these are totally importance of embryology. Okay, next class another topic, continuation. Okay, thank you.